How to fix you require permission from the administrator to make changes in this folder. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can fix the issue, which is a really common one. Whenever you're using Windows and try to open up a folder, you get an error that says you cannot make changes in this folder, you will need to be an administrator. So if you want to fix this problem, before I teach you guys the fix, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, locate the folder and then right click on it. After you right click on the folder, select Properties. It's right here, select Properties. And after you open up the properties, you will need to head over to the Security tab right here. So tap on Security. And after you tap on Security, you will need to head over to the Advanced option. After the Advanced option opens up, you will find an option right here that says Enable Inheritance. Mine says Disable Inheritance. In yours, it might say Enable Inheritance. All you have to do is click on it and then confirm that. After you confirm that, your problem will be fixed. And then instead of enable, you'll find disable right here like it is on mine. Then finally, tap on Apply button and then tap on OK. After you do that, your problem will get fixed. After you do that, your problem will get fixed and you should be able to open the folder up. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.